If your mind feels foggy, your strategy feels unclear, and you don't know what to trust, it's time to activate your inner guidance system. Let's open the Ajna Chakra, that is third eye chakra, the chakra of intuition, clarity, and wise decision making. Most competitive exam aspirants reach a point where they don't know what to do next. They have collected too much information but lost their inner direction. They are preparing from fear but not from vision. That's a sign your Ajna Chakra, your third eye, needs balance. Ajna means command or perception. It is located between your eyebrows, your seat of insight. When this chakra is balanced, you make decisions easily. You follow your inner wisdom, not panic. Third, you visualize your future and move forward it steadily. And when it is blocked, you second guess everything. You depend too much on others' opinions. You feel mentally stuck. So let's find some evidences in ancient wisdom. Vishwamitra was once a king, but he wasn't satisfied with external power. He turned inward, meditated, and developed a Divya Drishti, that is, divine insight. He saw not just with eyes, but with inner clarity. That's Ajna Chakra, the ability to see through the noise into truth. And in neuroscience, the Ajna Chakra aligns with reticular activating system. This is the brain's filter. It decides what information to focus on and what to ignore. When your Ajna Chakra is strong, you see opportunities clearly. You cut distraction fast. You stay aligned with your goals and not swayed by every doubt. Let's tune into your inner clarity now. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, place 2 fingers lightly between your eyebrows. Take a deep breath. Exhale softly. And now visualize your ideal day as a successful aspirant. Where are you sitting? What are you studying? How do you feel? Be in this moment for a while. And now affirm, I trust my inner wisdom. Clarity is already within me. Let that image stay with you today. Now I will give you 3 simple ways to activate this third eye chakra. First, start your day in silence for 5 minutes. No phone calls, no distractions. Second, write down one decision you will make intuitively. And third, keep a dark blue object or amethyst crystal near your desk. And bonus practice tip, before sleeping, ask your inner mind, what is my next step right now? Then let the answer come the next day without force. When your Ajna Chakra opens, you stop overthinking. You start seeing. You trust yourself, and that trust guides every part of your journey. And if this episode gave you clarity, comment, I trust my vision. And share this with an aspirant who is drowning in information and searching for directions. In next video, we will connect to the highest chakra, that is Sahasrara, the crown of wisdom, the source of peace. So, stay tuned. Thank you.